Enzo Maresca, heavy rotation is just your problem. Heavy rotation is your problem. Is this conference league? Sometimes you just have to use your common sense. How can you be rotating like this in a Premier League match? Highest you can just change, let's say about 2 to 3 players. How can you make up to 5 to 6 changes in a Premier League match? Coming from a Premier League match, you're coming to play another Premier League match, and you're making so much changes like this, 5 to 6 changes. How do you expect in every department as a central defense, there is a new partnership, right? You come to the midfield, there's a new partnership. You come to the final third, there's a new partnership, and you expect them to play well. Are we playing against a conference league team? How can you be making so much rotations like this? And it is costing Chelsea a lot. Reece James not being there is fair. Caicedo is not there. These two players are out. Why not play exactly the same thing that you played? Why do you have to rotate so much and remove all the players like this? If you change 2 players from this particular match, in the next match, you can remove 2 players out again. Why rotate so much and change all your team just like this? How do you expect them to gel? Rotation is what is causing Enzo Maresca right now. How can you be making changes? You don't have a permanent back line. You don't have a permanent midfield. You don't have a permanent final third. You're always changing and changing and changing and changing. How can Chelsea be consistent? If you're always changing players, how can Chelsea be consistent in getting results? Consistency is just the problem. Chelsea is trying to build consistency, and you're changing team up and down. You will change here today. Tomorrow you will change. You change midfield. You change attack. You bring this one. How can we be consistent if you're always changing your team? Is there any team in Premier League right now that are doing very well and are changing teams like this?